guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darla Rodriguez and I'm very excited because we are into the holiday season. Stick around, subscribe, and let's get into it. So I know it's the first week of November and I'm jumping the gun a little bit, but it's such a great deal that I feel like I need to share the first week of November. So Lancome always comes out with their beauty box at Christmas time. And I already got mine. So it is fabulous. It's a $75 purchase for the box. And it's a purchase with purchase, meaning you have to buy something in order to get the product for $75. If you were to purchase all of these separately, let me tell you, you're well over 500 bucks. And I'll go over that a little bit in detail as I'm sharing the products. But this year, so last year I did a video on their beauty box. I loved it. This year they even did better and improved, in my opinion, on products, on packaging. And so I'm excited to share. So first of all, what they did was they have this gold box. It's beautifully designed, has a zipper. You can use it afterward for other things if you wanted to. Within that gold case are all of the products. Now this year they switched up the products slightly, which I'm very happy about, to be honest with you. And I'm just gonna run down the products, their benefits, and literally why you should get it. And again, I don't know if you guys know this, but I just love Lancome. I don't get anything off these videos. Like literally I give them my money and then I praise them for it on this channel. It is not for their benefits. It's definitely for mine and yours. So the first product we have is Tonique Comfort. And the three things that it has that I love is hyaluronic acid, acacia honey, and sweet almond oil. So when you apply it, you can put it on a pad, but it's thicker. So it is going to be, they say it's for all skin types. Typically, if you're oily skin, you're not gonna like this feeling, this texture. I personally love it. See that glow? You can press it on like this on your face. That's what you would do right after you cleanse, or put it on a pad and wipe that way. But it's gonna hydrate the skin. So that is the first product, sorry. That is the first product that I wanted to share. And this is just a little sample size. If you were to get the full size, it is, I wrote down prices so you guys will know like how awesome of a deal you're getting. If it was full size, it's $35. Now, I will say there's multiple products in here. 8 of them are full-size products. Okay, so this is what you would pay in the store, yet you're getting it in this. So the second thing that you would follow this up with is genefique. It's my all-time favorite serum. It is a phenomenal, phenomenal serum. You can check articles, you can check dermatologists' recommendations. It's going to be up there. It has bifidus prebiotic. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Great ingredients. It hydrates. It brightens. It is a phenomenal, phenomenal serum that is lightweight. You can layer under other serums if you have a favorite, or you can just put it right underneath your moisturizer. What's fabulous about this is it has a proprietary dropper. So when you are unscrewing the top, see that little button that pops out? It fills the dropper with the exact amount of product you need for your whole face. They've thought of everything with this. This is the 1 ounce. This alone is $78. So I know I'm turning into a salesperson, but you could buy this for $78, just 1 ounce in the jar, they sell it, or get yourself a product, a moisturizer, a lipstick, anything that you need, and then buy the box for 75 bucks. I mean, so what they have added in here is a sample size of their Renergie. Renergie Lift Ultra, nope, let me say it right. Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra. It is an SPF 30. It has ample amount of sun protection in there for you. Plus it's anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. It does have a L'Oreal, so I wanted to say it. It is an LHA and it's called L'Oreal derivative of salicylic acid. And I don't know if you guys have looked at or dove deep into acids, but salicylic acid is a great product to wear even daily. So there is your anti-aging moisturizer. Then it has the full size of your genefique eye. This one sells for $69 by itself. And again, this is going to go right in line with genefique, the whole line, the bifidus prebiotic, the hyaluronic acid, and the vitamin C. So it helps with anti-wrinkle, the crow's feet, dark circles, brightening to the skin. Fabulous, fabulous eye cream. So another full-size product is the Doll mascara, and it is a newer mascara that just came out about a year and a half ago, 2 years. It's fabulous, not clumpy, gorgeous, full size in that product as well. And then I can't forget about Bifacil, which is their bifaced eye makeup remover. It is a staple of Lancome. I think everybody's used it at one point or another in their life. If you don't love it, you probably just haven't been told how to use it correctly. Shake it up. I like to dampen my pad just a tiny bit, put it on there, hold it onto your eye. It will dissolve the eye makeup. Don't start scrubbing right away. Let it get in there, moisten the eye area, and then swipe away. And it should take it all off. So that is a full size 4.2 ounce of the Bifacil. And then we have 2 full size products of L'Absolu lipstick and lip gloss, gorgeous colors. I'm wearing both of them right now and I absolutely love them. This is the bullet. So that's how you would open it up. You push the top and then the lipstick comes out. And then last but not least are the shadows, which you get these beautiful shadows. There are 12 of them in gorgeous colors. And then if you open up the bottom, you have 4 full-size blushes in gorgeous colors as well. I'm wearing all of these today because I just had to. I thought, this is gorgeous. Lancome, like, they just kill it, in my opinion, to get all of these products. I know for a fact a single shadow from Lancome is $23 or $25. If you get a quad, you're looking at $50. So, I mean, the price point, and then you get the quality of great product from a fabulous brand, you really can't lose. It's a win-win. So, there you go. I tried to be quick. I don't know where I am in my 7 minutes, but I tried my best. Oh, I forgot. They even have the La Vie Belle. This is a sample size of it. Gorgeous perfume. It's a beautiful scent. I'm not gonna lie, when I wear it, true story, I have been in grocery stores, I've been in lines buying things, and literally strangers have asked me, what are you wearing? It smells so beautiful. So if you guys haven't been able to smell La Vie Belle yet, check it out. So that's all I have today. If you have any questions on the products, please feel free to leave me a message below. I would love to answer any questions, dive deeper into any products. I've used all of these religiously for a long time. I maybe have veered off here and there, but I always come back. So give me a thumbs up, make sure and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.